Welcome! Today we will look at how we can use some and any as an adverb. If you are exhausted in a marathon race and cannot run faster, will you say I can't go any faster or I can't go some faster? If you are unsure which sentence is correct, you may watch on to find out more. In negative sentences, or sentences containing the word not, we use any to mean it all. For example, we say, the weather isn't any bad at all. I can't run any faster. We use some in positive sentences, that is, the sentences without the word not. We use some in front of numbers to mean approximately. For example, some 200 business professionals attended the conference is equivalent to around 200 business professionals attended the conference. In American English, we can use some as an adverb in front of adjectives or adverbs to mean to some degree. We can say, she feels some better after talking to her therapist. This sentence has the same meaning as, she feels somewhat better after talking to her therapist. In conclusion, we use any in negative sentences to mean it all. And we use some in positive sentences to mean approximately or somewhat, depending on the context. That's it for today. See you next time.